Okay, so here I have my ingredients. I already sprinkled 2 to 3 drops of peppermint, and then in here I'm just gonna add this Bella Twins oil. In here I mixed coconut oil with olive oil, castor oil, and then with fenugreek seeds. So what I did is I had this coconut oil sitting in fenugreek seeds that I fried a bit. It's an ingredient I got from an Indian lady, and I have my coconut sitting in there. So every time I want, I just take this little bottle that I added all the oils, I mixed it, and then I warm it in hot water, and that's what I use. So yeah, let's get right into it. Oh, this I will warm for 30 minutes. 30 seconds in the microwave. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Shout out to Daniela because she's making noise at the back of my video. Oh, okay, cool. Serious now. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hulda, and thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I am doing what am I doing? Hey. Oh yeah, I'm doing a hot oil treatment, and I just want to take you guys through with what I do. So starting off, I obviously mix the oils that I have, and then I microwave it for 30 seconds. In here I put drops of peppermint and the Bella oil, and then because I don't want to mix that with the other oils, in here I have coconut oil, castor oil, olive oil that I mixed, and then I make it sit in fenugreek seeds. Because that one I can always just warm it in hot water. I just want to show you this as well. In here I have my coconut oil that I've mixed with fenugreek seeds. I've mixed with fenugreek seeds and it just sits in there. Okay, so let's start. To start off, just to stimulate the hair follicles and to awaken your blood flow, I go in with a massage. I had this one. I do it with this, but sometimes it gets stuck in the hair. So, okay, let's try. I love how it. You too. Yes, I can hear you guys. I love the way it grabs your head and then just massage your whole head, like you feel it very nicely. But my hair gets stuck in here. That's why I went to buy this one, but we can try it. Oh, it feels so good. Oh. But my hair gets stuck. I feel it breaks my hair, but it feels so good. Okay, after that I go in with this. You need to massage your scalp, guys. Like, it's a must. I can't stress enough on this. Like, it has so many benefits. It stimulates the follicles to produce thicker hair. It also helps dilate the blood vessel beneath the skin, thereby encouraging hair growth. With one side. Something you're going to see me do a lot in this video is saturating my hair with water. Water is such an important source of hydration and moisture, especially if you have low porosity hair. I think this is like the best hair product that is out there, because your hair is like a plant. It needs water to grow. You need to water it for it to grow. Moving on, let's talk about the oils. Use the oils that you think best works for you, okay? You don't necessarily have to get the oils that I have or that I used, but just use what's best for you. Also, make sure that you are applying from root to tip and getting all your hair strands as well. After I apply the oil, I seal it in with raw shea butter leave-in conditioner from the Bella Twins and the mango butter. Don't mind the bottle, and the mango butter as well. And then yeah, I go in with a massage, and then I twist my hair back again and put away that section. Another benefit for maximum hydration before handling your hair is it avoids breakage. Guys, you'll see throughout this whole video, I'm not actually gonna use any comb. I do finger detangling. Like, I just use my fingers, no comb whatsoever. Stay away from the, like, only use it when it's really necessary, because it's not like our hair doesn't grow. Our hair grows, but we don't see the difference or the change because it keeps breaking. Like, don't bring an afro comb close to your head if your hair is not hydrated. Like, don't even do it. Like, we are no strangers to this step, but I feel like I needed to mention it. Like, if you've watched this far and you have not subscribed, I mean, why are you even watching? I'm kidding. I mean, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, what you do, what it does. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Guys, like, give me a thumbs up, man. If you like this content, give me a thumbs up. It's just a thumb. Yeah, I know. I'm talking to you. Okay. Moving on. When you are warming your oils, right? Especially in the microwave, you don't want to overdo it. Like, you don't want to cook it, otherwise you're taking out all the nutrients. You just want to make sure it's nice and warm. But the one in hot water, it's not really a problem. Like, it doesn't really matter because it doesn't get like very hot. And then you saw that I don't really mix like the peppermint. I want the peppermint nice and fresh, man. Then I feel that tinglish feeling on my skin. So the two oils that I mixed, the one I heated up in the microwave is what I put on the scalp itself. I love the feeling of the peppermint, and then the rest of the hair I use the other oils. Please remember that this is very much optional. Did you guys know that the secret to long and thick and shiny hair lies in your kitchen? Like, it's not even a joke. So fenugreek seeds has so many benefits. It boosts the shine, it promotes the hair growth, strengthens the hair, reduces hair loss. Like, it has so many benefits. Just do your research. But I put the fenugreek seeds in that little bottle just the way it is, and then also in the coconut oil, but the bottle itself, I fry them. Maybe it's a video I should do another day. If you're interested, let me know. I fry it and I put it in there and I just let it sit there. It ferments. It's an ingredient I got from an Indian lady. Her hair was until her knees when she got married. She had to cut it because she was growing old, and you know. But guys, fenugreek seed does the magic, okay? What I also used to do is the bottle of water that I used to spray my hair, I put some fenugreek seeds in there as well, and then it also takes out all the nutrients. Put in the water, and then, you know, food for my hair. So just repeat the process until you are done with your whole head. And when you're applying the oils, just make sure that you are running the oils through your hair thoroughly, hey? Really working it into every single strand of your hair, focusing on your ends, working it right up to the roots. And you're also massaging your scalp properly. As you can see, my hair is really not breaking, so the secret is you really just want to be very gentle with your hair. Yo guys, do you see that thickness? Like, hello, somebody, I know you see it. I'm just like really happy at this moment. So you want to do this like every once a month at least, but you can also do it every week if you wish. Like, our hair likes that heat. It grows under the heat, okay? So you want to do that. Also, if you want to see a change in any routine you're doing, you want to be consistent. I'll go in again with my favorite thing, a scalp massage, and now I'm doing it for the whole head. I love this, guys. Like if you don't have that scalp, how do you call it, that thing, eh? You can do it with your hands. Like, just stimulate that blood flow. I like to do it with my hands at first, and then I go in with both the scalp massages because they all feel differently. But I think the one with the wooden one, your hair needs to be loose so that it doesn't get stuck in there. Otherwise, when you're done, put on a plastic cap. I like to protect it with just one layer of scarf or two. I'll tell you another story why I'm saying one. And then I put on my heat cap. You can get all these equipments on Takealot, guys. Takealot has all of these equipments. I know I ordered this heat cap from AliExpress. Is it AliExpress or Alibaba? One of the two. But I mean, Takealot is here and you can literally just get everything from there. If you don't have a plastic cap, you can use the normal plastics like the Pick and Pay plastics or ShopRite, whatever you want. But then you want to put on a scarf on top of it because the hair dryer is producing heat, and you don't want to bend the plastic on your hair. There are two different type of heat caps, guys. Like, I'll show you another one, but I had a bad experience with that one. So, you know, during quarantine we were watching church online, right? And then once upon a time I was doing my hair treatment on a Sunday. I forgot it was a Sunday. My housemate came to me like, hey, I'm not watching church. I was like, oh, it's church, let's watch. So I decided, okay, I don't want to wash my hair now because I'm not done, and also it's gonna take up time, so I can watch church sitting under my heat cap because that one doesn't make noise. Few minutes into the service, I smelled smoke. I'm like, don't you smell smoke? I'm asking them, like, no, we don't smell anything. Okay, we continue. Like 5 more minutes, I'm like, no guys, man, I smelled smoke. Don't you guys smell smoke? They're like, no, but for now, just take off the heat, whatever you have on your head. The moment I took it off, guys, it was about to light. Like, I was just so lucky that day. Fire. So if you don't have the heat cap, what you can do, what I used to do before is I'll just apply, I'll put on a scarf. That's what I actually do even after this. I know a lot of people advise that you wash it out. I don't wash it out. In fact, I go ahead and secure it with another scarf. And then I sleep like this, and then in the morning I just style it the way I wish. But if you have a heat cap and you wanna like go out or do something quickly, you can do that for 30 minutes and then don't wash it out. Just style your hair as you wish, and then voila. As you can see, I was going through my hair only with my hands. I don't use a comb, and this only the only shedding I did, so quite little. Avoid a lot of combing. Like, leave your hair alone, leave the hair alone. That's how it will grow. And then if you have this heat cap, you want to be very careful, because I almost burnt. I want to show you guys something. Look, I literally saw fire on my head, so I almost burnt. So you want to be very careful. But this one is also very nice. It doesn't make noise, and you can wear it for as long as you want. No, 30 minutes guys, not as long as you want. Otherwise, yeah, this is my heat or oil treatment for my hair, and yeah, it will really help your hair grow. So you want to include this in your routine. And if you've watched this far, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, I hope you learned 1 or 2 things. I'm so shy because these guys are all looking at me. Daniela. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Adios. Shout out to Daniela and Ruth for keeping me company. So you see how I protected my hair first with a plastic, and then I put on the first scarf, and then I put on the second scarf. The reason why that heat cap started burning is because the head was too big, like it was too close to the element. It was touching the material. That's why it started burning. But I'm so traumatized. I don't want to try it, okay? But guys, what do you think of the results? Like, tell me what you think. Like, my hair is giving me moisture, the shine. Like, there could be more, but I'm pretty satisfied with this, okay?